This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Nutella soufflé with just 2 ingredients. First, gather your ingredients, about 100 grams of Nutella and 4 large eggs. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks, placing them into 2 separate, clean bowls. Make sure there is no yolk in the whites. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to prepare for baking. Now, gently melt about 100 grams of Nutella in a microwave or over a double boiler until it's smooth and pourable. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This is crucial for the soufflé's rise. Next, combine the melted Nutella with the egg yolks, mixing well. Finally, carefully fold the whisked egg whites into the Nutella yolk mixture in 2 additions, preserving the air. Carefully pour your airy Nutella mixture into 2 lightly greased ramekins, filling them about 2/3 full. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake them in your preheated oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Look for them to be beautifully puffed up and golden brown on top. The center should still be slightly jiggly. Serve your delicious soufflés immediately to enjoy their light, airy texture. Your 2-ingredient Nutella soufflé is now ready to be enjoyed. For an extra touch of elegance, you can lightly dust the tops with powdered sugar. These delightful treats are perfect on their own, or you can pair them with some fresh berries or a small scoop of vanilla ice cream for an even more indulgent experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This simple dessert is sure to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.